Yeah, good morning, everybody. Live and direct from United Nations headquarters in Manhattan, New York. Presently, I am on 47th Street at the Dark Plaza Park, where the Yoruba Nation under NINAS, Lower Niger Congress under NINAS, Middle Belt Nations under NINAS, where we presently coming together to have our rally, 1 million man freedom march mega rally. I'm expecting my Yoruba brothers and sisters, my Igbo brothers and sisters, my Lower Niger Congress brothers and sisters, my Middle Belter brothers and sisters to come out en masse. We have the permit to use the plaza. Please come out, come and join me so that we can continue our NINAS 1 million man freedom march mega rally to send the terrorist Muhammadu Buhari back to Nigeria from attending the World Leader 76 United Nations General Assembly. All we're asking for is referendum now, Yoruba Nation now, Lower Niger Congress now, Middle Belt Nations now. We need to send Buhari back to Nigeria. He's a terrorist. There is watertight security at the United Nations 76 General Assembly presently. I'm calling on everybody to come out. Come through 47th Street and 2nd Avenue. Come through 42nd Street and 47. Come through 47th Street and 2nd Avenue, where the NYPD Community Affairs Department are going to pat you down and check in. Make sure you are secure. Make sure I am secure. Come through and come to the park so that we can continue to rally. Come through and come to the park so that we can continue to rally. Please share this information, share this broadcast, share this message, and share this video. Yoruba Nation now, Igbo Nation now, Lower Niger Congress Nation now, Middle Belter Nations now. No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. No retreat, no surrender. Yoruba Nation now. No retreat, no surrender, no going back. Reporting to you from United Nations 76 General Assembly, live and direct, Oodua Media Group. Okay, live broadcasting on Oodua Media Group. Please join me for continuous, non-stop live coverage of this 1 million man march mega rally event on Oodua Media Yoruba on Facebook. Join me on Facebook. Type in Oodua with double O, Ooduamedia with a space, then Yoruba. Oodua Media Yoruba on Facebook page. Join me. Thank you.